Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's solve the 36th SQL entry question from Leetcode 50 SQL entry questions. This is a medium problem in Leetcode SQL 50 entry questions. However, if you break down this problem into smaller chunks, it's very easy. So it's just a simple count based on the categories based on the very class. So they're given a table called accounts. We basically have to group the people, group the accounts into different bins. So, for example, let's say anyone with the income or salaries less than 20,000, we have to tag them as a low salary, and between including of 20,000 and 50,000, inclusive of 20,000 50,000, between this including of 20 and 50,000, so you have to tag them as average salary, and anything above 50,000 is you have to tag them as a high salary. So if you see here from this data, from this sample data, if you see there is one which is this as a low salary, we have to tag, and then there are 0 in average salary, which are between 20,000 and 50,000, and then 3 are high salary, yeah, of course 87,000, 90,000 and more than 100k, so which is more above 50k. So basically we just have to group them together. So how do I solve this? Let's simply start writing. It is a very big problem. If you break down into smaller problem, it is very easy. Select star. Let's say I'll basically take all the columns. Select star from this table, from accounts table. Let me take this as is. I select star from accounts table, where I'll simply income is. If I put income is less than, if I put income less than, I'll get all the records which are matching this condition, right? Which are matching any income which is less than 20,000. So obviously there is one record which is based on this. They don't need the record, however, they don't need the record. What they need is they need the count. So here it is giving you all the columns, all the rows as well. So they need the number of rows, basically the count. That is what they are tagging is. If you see account as 1, so we just have to say account count star, and we have to rename this as a account, and this entire value we can rename and this as the entire value as account. Yeah, so this is we are getting as 1. Similarly, if I apply this condition where income is greater than or equal to 20,000 and less than 50,000, so I'll get 0 because there is no average salary with that condition. And if I apply income which is greater than 50,000, I'll get three counts. So this is what we have to do. So I have solved a little bit of the problem. So what I'll do is let me complete this entire stuff. So let's say I'll tag this as rename this entire value as account, because they are asking us to count as account. So I'll keep it like this. Select all the counts, and I'll rename it. Now what I'll do is I'll tag this output. I'll have one more column called low salary. I'll have one more column called lower salary, as I'll mention as category. All right, as category. As category. So this solves the 1/3 of the problem. The problem is divided into 3, like a low, average, and high, right? This solves the 1/3 of the problem. So what I'll do is I'll simply select all of these and then create like this. Okay, this solves the 1/3 of the problem. So let's see what we get out of this. Low salary, we should get as a low salary. Low salary, at least one should be there. No, okay, maybe there is. Okay, so we are getting the output as expected. All right, we're good so far. The next is, what I'll do is I'll copy the same condition. I'll put the same query. I'll put this condition. I'll comment this. I'll put as a average salary. I'll copy average salary. I'll apply the average salary condition, which is greater than, income greater than, and again what I'll do is I'll also copy one more same thing which is I already copied. What I'll do is I'll put the income greater than or equal to, inclusive, right? They are asking us to put inclusive greater than or equal to 20,000, and income is less than, income is less than 50,000, less than or equal to this amount. I'll just copy as is so that I don't make a mistake. I'll keep everything as is. All right. So this is average salary, and finally anything above 50,000. I think it's already there in my copy, so I'll just put it here. Is a high salary. That's all. I think we are good here. So this gives me, I'll just comment this. This gives me second half of the problem where the income is greater than 20,000 and it is less than, like, greater than or equal to 20,000 and less than 50,000. There's 0 records. Obviously, this is what they are expecting us. This is the second half. So second and third, and this is the final one, which gives us the higher salary, which is greater than or equal to greater than 50,000. So three. So this is what we achieved so far. Almost we are there. Now what we have to do is we just have to union it. You just have to combine all of these. This is giving me one record. This is giving me another record. I just have to simply combine these results, so which will solve the entire problem. How am I commenting? If you don't know how to comment, uncomment all the lines, I use a Windows and slash, which is next to shift bar. So this will comment or uncomment. If I want to comment all the lines, I just have to select all this and then Windows and slash bar, and then uncomment also same thing. So that's all. I think I was able to comment and uncomment. So let's see what we get. Yeah, I think this got accepted. Let's submit this. So this, it's as mentioned. So if you break down the problem into smaller chunks, you can solve this problem. So it's an easy problem. I hope you understood what I'm trying to convey message. And that's all, guys. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.